pollution in Chorea Chorea by Dr. Elizabeth Mutinda. Chorea Chorea. Vocal volunteers we are. Our SGR ride at Kibwezi. Through Savo to Diani. Tangulika mazingira. Tangarisha mazingira. Simbas of Shimba is all in bottled water. Why litter their nature? Did you know animals have tears? Even fish have feelings. Don't make them cry. Let parrots chirap in peace. Let monkeys chatter in peace. Wote wapenda kupendwa na kupendana. No tit for tat. Nurture their habitats. Community service. Our social responsibility. The vision is clear. Ending plastic pollution is our mission. Ni kuchorea chorea. Mtituande tukadonzeni. Kidma tukitise kidoke. We have vocal volunteers. It starts with us. Sisi ndo wale tuliochaguliwa na neema. Sisi ndo wale tuliochaguliwa na neema. Kata takataka kata